shoot a video? No? Then go. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well, and today I'm here with another DIY video for you guys. Today's video is a very short video, guys, and this is a DIY facial mist, and this facial mist for all skin type. You can try this and it will take only 3 minutes for you, and all remedies you can buy. It's very easy to find. So if you'd like to see how to create this DIY facial mist, then please keep watching. For this I'm using distilled water. Now I could not find a bottle, so instead I'm using a pack of smaller tubes. So I use around 5 tubes of distilled water, around 50 ml. Next we'll be adding around 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Now almond oil is a great moisturizer. It makes your skin soft and smooth. Next we'll be adding 2 vitamin E capsules. Now vitamin E capsules helps in soothing sunburns, and it's also have in healing the damage caused by UV ray. And lastly we'll be adding 4 to 5 drops of orange essential oil. Now I love orange essential oil. It smells amazing and it's so refreshing. Once you have added everything, then mix it up with a spoon. Then just put it into your container, and we are pretty much done with our DIY. This is one of my favorite mist so far. It's refreshing and hydrating at the same time. So guys, you can try this also as a makeup fixer spray, and I just love this fragrance, and I just love this. And I just love the smell. It's so refreshing. And guys, please try this and let me know in the comment section below after trying this. You can store it in a refrigerator. Also let me know if you want more DIY video like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see my anti-tanning video, then please click the video here, which is here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for instant notification. So I'll see you guys all in my next video, and now take care and bye.